Thank you for joining Online Blind Parts. I'm going to show you how to retrofit your current 2-inch wood or faux wood blinds to child-safe cords. Now, as you can see here, we have the tassel on the bottom, and then in this blind we have 4 cords coming into one tassel right here. And you can have 2, you can have 4, you can have 5. It just depends on the width of the blind. In this case, we have 4, and what that does is that poses a problem when the blind is in the up position or anywhere between the middle of the window or in a fully up position, because now the cords hang down and small children and infants could potentially grab them when they're on the floor, near the floor, and put their head in this area right here, which becomes a circle, and then they can dangle from that, and that's how they can strangle themselves accidentally. So what you need to do is you need to take these cords, and what you do is you can see that I have 3 other tassels sitting right here. So what you want to do is you virtually just want to cut the cords, and then you'll have this piece here. So that's the old knot. You want to take that out. And now what you want to do is you want to take each individual cord and you want to put it through the tassel, and you want to tie a knot. And then you might have to tie a double knot in order for it not to slip through, but you want to tie a knot, and then what you'll eventually have is you'll have 3 separated strings sitting there just like this. You have 3 strings, and you'll have 3 other tassels going here, so you have a total of 4 tassels hanging down. Now it's impossible for a kid to put his head in the strings because there's no circular cord. According to the government, over 200 kids in the United States since 1990 have strangled themselves accidentally, which caused death. And to us, that's even if it was 1, that's too many. I have a small child myself, and I can't even imagine losing him for something that's a silly thing that can be fixed virtually pretty easily and inexpensively. Now the laws have changed since 1995, and the blinds manufactured after 1995 have a little bit different standards as far as child safety standards. But you do want to make sure also that your cords don't get twisted once you do this. But this is one way to retrofit your cords, so you're not going to have a child safety issue. Thank you very much for joining us.